My study abroad experience took place in Cordoba, Argentina. I stayed in a house with a single host mom named Rosa. This is Don't Worry, our go-to bar, a chill atmosphere that coincides with its name, where we made plenty of memories. We took our first day trip with some of our professors to La Estancia, a family-run farm where we learned more about the gaucho history and modern-day life on an Argentinian farm, as well as being able to bond as a group. This is a clip of our Professor Roberto dancing with a woman who lived on the farm to a classic Argentinian folk song. This time allowed me to reflect on the day's events and realize just how lucky I was to be there. To have a family open their home to us, feed us authentic Argentinian food, and share their stories with us. I felt a strong sense of family amongst the entire group, and from here on out, it only grew. Next, 3 other exchange students and myself planned our own trip 10 hours west to San Juan. Let's just say the views were amazing. From waterfalls to mountains, even deserts. As a group, our bond grew stronger, and my appreciation for life itself grew deeper. Next, a faculty-led trip to the capital. Although we were in a big city, our first stop was to this beautiful rose garden. We visited the main square, Plaza de Mayo, where we got to see this gorgeous church, which was a moving experience even for those who aren't religious, such as myself. We also visited La Casa Rosada, basically the Argentine White House, except the president doesn't actually live there. We went to La Boca, where tango originated, as well as going to this fancy restaurant for dinner, which included an amazing live tango show afterwards. I just got back from my spring break trip down south to a town called Bariloche. It had a Swiss feel to it and a hippie vibe. We found this crazy mural of Mother Earth the first day, which pretty much summed up the trip because the town had the prettiest views I've seen yet. The second day, we climbed a small mountain. It was tough, but we made it to the top, which was well worth the view. We got to take a chairlift down, which was even nicer. Then we traveled 2 hours further south to a town named El Bolson, in the valley between 2 mountains, another hippie town famous for its artisan craft fair. The welcoming nature of the Argentines and the breathtaking natural landscapes have most definitely affected me. The relationships I've formed have made me more thankful for the ones I left back home, and the views, well, those just made me happy to be here.